How you doing, Mike? Innovative Door. We got some desert tan cottage with sunrise window, long panel, and some magnetic hinges and hardware. I think it looks really cool because it's different. It's really different. You might not like the sunrise, but some people think this is definitely neat looking. These are the Horman 3200 desert tan, like I said. Magnetic hinges and hardware, pinch resistant, 3.5-inch bottom rubber. Nice new tracks, nylon ball wheel. This door here is an 18-footer. We put on the double end hinge thing for them. And we beefed up our new trick roller. We're using a 13 zinc ball bearing for the top section, so it's a little heavier with an insulated glass on an 18. High-grade springs, complemented by yours truly, the LVC 0800 belt drive. This is a dynamite setup here. 11-gauge hinges, you can't go wrong. Okay, pinch resistant. Just an awesome door and opener. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Garage Door 630-271-9343. www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. 650 Ogden is the headquarters. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our custom desert tan garage door video.